going to be showing you the new updates and a little bit past update and the new layout of the gate of Soda Railway. So here we have Percy. He was added yesterday, I believe. Yeah, yesterday. Um, he looks. I don't. He looks good. He doesn't have any variations of like him being covered in coal dust or anything. He doesn't have that. Not yet. Here's his faces: asleep, cross, faceless, laughing, sad, shocked, smiling, tired, upset, wincing, and yeah, those are all of his faces. Here's his whistle. And yeah, that's all to Percy. Next up, we have Gordon. Gordon. He was added last week, I believe. Yeah, last week, or a couple of days. A couple of days before Percy was put into the game, and also the other thing. Um, here's his face. He doesn't have any very skins, or he doesn't have any colors or anything like covered in jam or anything. Here's his faces. If I can get his faces to, there we go. Here's angry, asleep, concerned, embarrassed, faceless, grumpy, happy, shocked, smiling, surprised, wincing, and yeah, those are all of Gordon's faces. Here's his whistle. And yeah, that is Gordon. Here is an unusual thing. It's a chair that's it's a diesel power um chair that moves for some reason. This was added before Percy was put in, or it was put in the same time. Here's its realistic chair. I just restarted it. Oops. Okay, it finally stopped. My bad. Oh, sorry about that. Here's his fire in the hole. And there we go. That is the chair. I don't understand why the developer added this, made this. I just kind of see it pointless. I know, like, to fill in with the diesels, there's steam engines and smaller, like the steam engines, and yeah. But at the same time, it's just really useless. But anyway, here are the new spawners for the rolling stock. And yeah, here are the express coaches that came with Gordon Gordon was when Gordon was put into the game. And yeah, that's basically it. And you can change the color and you can turn on the light. I'm going to show you what's there to the layout. So here is the Netford Yards. It's almost there, and also Netford Harbor. But anyway, let's keep on going. They extended it to Henry's Tunnel, which is not. I'm just gonna run because it's much faster. Um, the developer still hasn't gotten to Thomas's branch line yet. Um, they extended the to Henry's Tunnel, which they're still doing a little bit of work because as you can see right here and right here, which I'm not sure what this is for. Like, what is this track for? Because this was a 2-track right here, and then this is a single track that needs to be fixed. And then here's the loop, so you can get turned around. And yeah, that's pretty much it too. That's what's in the game now. I know that there's going to be mail vans coming soon to the game, but I'm not sure when that's going to be. I think in the next couple of, either tomorrow or next couple of days, of the mail vans. And yeah, but anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and oh, um, and not lead a. I'm trying to do the bye.